On December 13, 2025, Pi Network stunned the world by announcing it had surpassed 60 million active users. This global community, called Pioneers, has grown from 47 million just a year ago, an explosive leap that no one predicted. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, Pi's success isn't measured by price or trading volume, but by the sheer number of people involved. 60 million people, from cities to villages, have downloaded the app, tapped a button daily, and put their faith in a new kind of digital money. This milestone challenges the usual crypto narrative. Here, people come first, not investors or speculators. The project's growth has been organic, spreading through word of mouth and a vision of accessible, fair digital currency. As new features roll out, the community's energy is palpable, signaling Pi Network is on the verge of a major transformation. The world is finally taking notice, wondering if this quiet giant is ready to step into the spotlight. Today's announcement isn't just about numbers, it's a signal that Pi Network is gearing up for its biggest chapter yet. The digital currency landscape may never be the same. So, what is Pi Network? At its core, it's a digital currency you can mine with your phone, no expensive hardware or technical know-how required. Created by Stanford grads, Pi aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just the tech elite. The process is simple. Download the app, tap a button daily, and earn Pi coins, proving you're a real person, not a bot. Unlike traditional mining, this doesn't drain your battery or data. Pi's vision is bold. Build the world's most widely used cryptocurrency, powered by its users. The goal is a peer-to-peer system where value is exchanged directly, bypassing banks and governments. Pi isn't yet tradable on public exchanges. The team is focused on building a strong, secure community first. Utility is the priority. What you can actually do with Pi will define its value. Developers are building apps for the ecosystem, preparing for the day Pi becomes a real-world currency. This slow, steady approach may be the secret behind Pi's explosive growth. Pi's leap from 47 to 60 million users in a year wasn't fueled by ads or hype, it was powered by people. The referral system created a chain reaction, spreading Pi across continents and cultures. Crypto experts were caught off guard, forced to reconsider what drives adoption in the digital age. Growth has been especially strong in regions like Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where traditional banking is limited. For many, Pi is a first step into the global digital economy. This grassroots expansion is what makes Pi's story unique, a movement built from the ground up. The surge has put pressure on the core team to deliver, raising expectations for what comes next. 60 million users isn't just a number, it's a mandate for change and innovation. The world is watching as Pi prepares for its next big breakthrough. On December 13, 2025, Pi Network unlocked mainnet migration for all eligible users, a long-awaited milestone. For years, pioneers collected Pi in the app, but now they can move it to their own secure mainnet wallet on the live blockchain. Think of it as finally being able to spend loyalty points you've been saving for years. Migration means your Pi is truly yours, ready to use, send, or spend within the Pi ecosystem. This is the last step before the network transitions to open mainnet, connecting millions to a real, functioning blockchain. Each pioneer must complete a checklist, including identity verification and wallet setup. The core team's message is clear. The system is ready, and it's time to bring everyone on board. Social media is buzzing as users celebrate seeing their Pi balances in their wallets. This isn't just a technical update, it's a personal victory for millions who believed in the project. The promise of Pi is finally becoming a reality. The biggest obstacle to mainnet migration was the KYC process, verifying millions of identities worldwide. Long wait times frustrated users and slowed progress. In late 2025, Pi's core team launched an AI-powered KYC system, transforming the process. The AI can quickly validate thousands of document types, slashing wait times from months to days. The KYC backlog shrank by half, unlocking migration for millions. This breakthrough made the global migration possible, removing the final barrier for most users. Pi's use of AI shows its commitment to solving real-world problems at scale. With KYC hurdles cleared, the path to open mainnet is wide open. A currency's value comes from what you can do with it, so Pi Network held a global hackathon to spark innovation. The grand prize went to Blind Lounge, a privacy-focused social and dating app built on Pi's blockchain. Second place, StarMax, lets local businesses reward customers with Pi, bridging digital and real-world commerce. Third place, Run for PI, is a mobile game where players earn and spend Pi, making crypto fun and interactive. These apps show Pi's potential beyond payments, privacy, loyalty, entertainment, and more. Honorable mentions like PallyPay and WorkFlet for Pi highlight the ecosystem's diversity, from payments to freelance jobs. The hackathon proved developers are eager to build real utility for Pi. The foundation for a vibrant Pi economy is taking shape. Despite all the progress, Pi Network is still in its enclosed mainnet phase, a walled garden where everything works, but nothing connects to the outside world. You can use Pi within the ecosystem, pay friends, buy goods, or access premium app features. All transactions are real and recorded on the live blockchain, but you can't trade Pi on external exchanges yet. This is a deliberate move to focus on building real utility and a stable economy before opening up to market speculation. The enclosed period protects users and gives developers time to refine their apps. It's a large-scale test run, ensuring the network is secure and functional before the walls come down. Some are impatient for open mainnet, but this phase is crucial for long-term success. The core team wants a sustainable economy, not just a speculative asset. The walled garden is thriving, and the foundation for the future is being laid. When the time is right, Pi will open to the world. With 60 million users, KYC solved, and migration live, the Pi community is buzzing with excitement. The mood has shifted from patient waiting to active anticipation. The final countdown is on. Veteran pioneers are guiding newcomers, and social media is filled with celebrations of migrated balances. Even former users are returning, eager to join the action before the next big phase. FOMO is real, but it's about being part of a historic moment, not just chasing profits. Unofficial IOU markets are surging, reflecting growing external interest. The world is watching, and belief in Pi's potential is stronger than ever. This is more than hype. It's a rational response to real game-changing progress. With momentum building, the next steps for Pi Network are clear. The immediate focus: complete mainnet migration. Every pioneer counts. A key hearing on December 23, 2025, could determine when the network opens to the world. Legal clarity is the last major hurdle before open mainnet. Meanwhile, ecosystem development continues, with more apps and utilities on the way. The value of Pi will depend on what you can do with it, so building a real marketplace is top priority. As Pi transitions from quiet growth to active deployment, the future looks brighter than ever. The next chapter is about to begin, and the world is watching.